Hey guys, it's Wendy from Wendy's Eating Show, and today I have a really volcano volcano level noodles. I just saw these. I went to a Korean market and these are the noodles that I saw. They're chicken flavor. By the way, I have 4 of these bags. So that means that I have all these little packets with me. This is like the volcano sauce, and then this is like the flakes. So oh my gosh, why did I decide to do this? I don't know, but I guess this is like a little celebration, because before I start any of this, you guys, let me just tell you that it's gonna get down. I just know that my ass is gonna be on fire and I'm not gonna be able to take this. So before anything, because you guys know that every time I do these videos, like, I'm out. Literally, like, I can't even speak at the end of them, you know. So let me just say that I have opened a brand new Spanish channel for all my Spanish speaking people, or people that want to learn Spanish. I have a brand new channel. It's called El Show de Wendy. I'm gonna try to link it up here. So if you guys want to go show support and love, if you want to learn how to speak English, go ahead and subscribe to El Show de Wendy. I literally just made my first vlog in Spanish. You guys want to go check it out. Oh my gosh. So right now we have a lot of stuff going on. So with that being said, you guys go show love and support, and I'm gonna be uploading so much over there. I'm still gonna be uploading on my En Familia con Wendy and Wendy's Eating Show. So yes, I'm on a roll. But oh my gosh, okay, so we have the 4 packets. We have all these extra little packets. I have my noodles right here. I am gonna be eating them with pickled radish, if I even can eat anything. And then I bought these extra big roll grilled seaweed things. So, and I also have hot Cheetos with me. So let's just see how all of this goes, and let me bring everything. Okay, hold on. And we're back. So these are the noodles right here. These are 4 packets of those volcano noodles, and I was gonna dump it right here, like on my little display, but I was like, they're gonna go everywhere. So I just kept it on like this plate, which has like a little bit of brim, so I can keep everything together. So oh my gosh. So first of all, we need to add these packets. Oh my gosh, let's go ahead and add that. Okay, you guys, that was 4 packets. And let me just tell you something. My lips have hot Cheetos, okay? They have hot Cheetos. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but they have like little crumbs. Hopefully they don't look like some type of like STI, or what would that be called, like whatever, herpes on my lips. Hopefully I don't look like I got herpes. Oh my gosh, so I got that right there. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. If I can even find my chopsticks. Oh, here they are. Okay. I don't know, but I learned this, that you have to literally rub them together like this, so you can get like the extra little pieces of like I don't know, little pieces of wood. Oh well, if I die, I die. Okay, so now we're just gonna mix. No, you guys, I think I want to back out. Nope, no way, no. I can smell it. My nostrils are already burning. Oof. You guys remember the ones I used to do? If those were spicy, they came like stronger than ever. they upped their game. They're like, nope, that was not spicy. We gotta get volcano spicy. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm about to start crying. I haven't even started yet. Oh, I don't want anything to fall. I got hot Cheetos on my lips already. I'm already starting bad, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna open up my radishes. Wait, first of all, let me put on my flakes. Okay, there we go. We have that. I'm like really excited, but at the same time, like, I want to cry. I want to like dip. I want to cancel this show. I'm just kidding, you guys. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Ooh, and we have one more packet. And I also have some avocados that I want to try. They're like really big. Okay, let me open one of these avocados. Cause nah, you guys gotta give me a break. If I'm gonna get spiced up, if I'm gonna be crying for my mom, I gotta be able to eat some of this, you know? Like, I saw these huge avocados and I was like, I gotta try some. Okay, I always miss the line. Oh, there we go. Okay, they were about to go bad, but that's okay. I'm good with that. They still look good. Okay. Oh my gosh. See, I gotta go hard or go home, you guys. Gotta go hard or go home. Gotta go hard or go home. This is gonna taste really good. Really good. Oh my gosh. Okay, one last one. There we go. And then we're gonna get these pickled radish. Oh my gosh, am I really spitting on my hot sheet? Oh, that literally like squirted on me. Let me just dump some of that juice. Okay, just gonna grab with my hand. Ooh, oh my gosh, I love these are really, really, really good. Okay, voila. And then I'm just gonna grab one of these big rolls. It says that they're spicy. And I got them because they say they're big roll, kind of like the fruit rolls. I was like, oh, okay. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, I smelled something. It made me cough. Wow. I just want to sprinkle some of this because, wow, that is really, really good. Sprinkle some on there. And then lastly, I feel like my lips are coming off. They are. My Cheeto lips are coming off. I just want to grab some Cheetos. Make it spicy, you know? You guys better not like fuchi me. This is how I crumble up my hot Cheetos. Literally. Yes, my hands are really clean. I look like Carrie. You guys know that movie? Carrie? Oh, my hair. Who's gonna remove my hair? Okay. You guys, check out this plate. I said go hard or go home. Wow. Damn. Look at the hair on my face. Okay. I'm ready. Am I missing something else? No. Okay. I'm ready to dig in. Oh my god. Okay. Woo. Sesame seeds. Oh my god. And I got my hands right here. Well, nope. This is not gonna get good. Why am I eating my hair? Why am I eating my hair? Let me get some of this pickle radish. And no. I'm avocado. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Oh, they're gonna kick me in the ass. I knew it. Want some? I knew no. But I got this. I just freaking knew it. I'm making a mess. I want to act tough. Hot Cheetos. Spicy seaweed. I feel it. I feel the boogers coming down my nose. Oh my gosh. I'm a mess. Oh gosh. I'm literally about to start crying. Oh my gosh. You guys. Can you guys see me cry? I can't. Oh my god. I wasn't playing when I said that I was about to start crying. Go hard or go home. I cannot be a CC in front of you guys. Nope. Look at this. This is gonna make it better. I literally smushed it. I'm crying though. I knew it. I knew it. I was gonna be a sissy in front of you guys. Go hard or go home. Oh my gosh. Makeup is in my eye. I already see blurry. What the hell just happened? What the hell just happened? I was about to choke in front of you guys. I'm no sissy. I'm no sissy. That ain't gonna stop me. I almost lost my life, but that ain't gonna stop me. Oh my gosh. Mom, forgive me. Oh my gosh. I can't. I can't. Oh. My eyelash is falling. Yeah. Bye-bye.